Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you a quick look. So right now I am putting on some foundation primer. So what does this foundation primer do for you? The foundation primer is going to help allow your foundation to last longer, and it also helps to reduce your pores when you're putting on your foundation. So the foundation primer I am using is by Mary Kay. I'm also going to put on a concealer, Mary Kay's Perfecting Concealer, and the color is a deep beige. So what I'm going to do is everywhere I have like dark blotches, I will put the concealer. So I put it there, here, under my eye area, and right there. Concealer on wherever I see imperfections in my skin. That's how I use the concealer, okay? So let's go into the next one. I'm gonna put my eyebrows on. Watering. Lord, the story of my life. So now I'm going to take this translucent powder, take a sponge, and I pat it here to set it so that you don't get any creases. So that's why I use that. And I put that translucent powder everywhere I place the concealer because I want it to set it. So now I'm going to put on my foundation. So the foundation I'm using today is 120 W120. All right, so what I do here, I'm just gonna blot it here. I want more of a matted look here. And blend it all over. I don't know, I have a tendency not to always put it here, but and under my neck here. And if you notice how I'm doing it, I'm patting it and then I brush it down under my neck, because you really want to make sure that your foundation matches your neck. You don't want to have different colors under the neck area. So everybody, now that I have my foundation on, I'm going to do some eye color here. And I always go in with like a base color first. So today I am going to use hazelnut, and it's a what is it, Chroma Fusion by Mary Kay. And when I do this, I start right in here, which is in the crease of my brow, with this hazelnut. And if you cannot see what I'm doing, I'm actually just patting that in. I'm pat like that. And then I take the brush and I actually just go in this way. So let me do the other one. Then I am going to take Cinnabar. See how I just pat that in that crease area, and I really push it in the center. And then I just begin to brush it in. Then what I'm gonna do is take my blending, this brush right here, and actually I'm just gonna take the tip and I hold my brush just like this. And I really want to get it to blend in really, really good. is a gold status, and it's the Chroma Fusion by Mary Kay. I'm going to just pat it on my lid here. And this part right there, y'all, is the lid. I'm gonna take my blending brush again. Off camera, everybody, I went on and put my lashes and everything on. So now I'm going to highlight just give myself a little highlight. And some cheek color. As you see, I'm just blending it in lightly and then upward motion here with my cheek brush. And this is your cheekbone, so that's really how I focus on putting the cheek color on. Guys, what I do is I always line my lips. It helps the lipstick stay on longer. So I line it really, really good. Then I take my color. This color is, Lord, the writing's so little, I can't see. It's like a nude color. Let me just say that, all right? And I'm gonna take my lip gloss. It's a soft nude, and I'm gonna go over it. So now that I did that, have all my lip stuff on, I'm going to take my Mary Kay Silky foundation powder, and I pat it on here. That I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finishing spray on. Fan it with my hands. Set that foundation, and it will last me throughout the day, even with me perspiring and sweating. It is a very hot day out here in California. I wanted to show you and give you an idea of, you know, how I put on my makeup. I hope this helps. So if you enjoyed this video, this is what I do. This is how I do my makeup at 62. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit the like button, comment below, and tell me what you think. All right? You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.